Hello, this is the Meta Man, and this video is the #1 most startling video you will have ever seen from me because it is shocking proof that we are very close to, we are at the very beginning of a giant red hot, raging bull run with medium coins going up, big coins going up, micro coins just about to explode. So watch carefully. And remember to post in the comments whether you agree with my proof, because this is going to be startling. Now, on the screen, I'm showing you a graph. What is that graph? Is it small coins? Is it medium coins? Is it just one coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum? What could it be? Well, listen very carefully because you're going to be shocked. The chart shows the stock price of Amazon from 1997 to 2001. Amazon, not the coin, the stock price of Amazon from 1997 to 2001. Now, why am I showing you that? This is really important. At the time, Jeff Bezos didn't worry too much. He later told reporters, quote, "I liked our business and I liked the fundamentals of our business, but I also knew that the stock price was disconnected from what we were doing on a day-to-day basis." A lot of the ideas for this amazing video came from my dear friend and crypto advisor, Robert Roleh. Robert Roleh, you can look him up, Robert Roleh, ROLIH.com. He's an amazing person. He helps me with stock advice and with crypto advice. Robert, thank you for allowing me to use and to quote your Facebook post in this video. I had all the internal metrics on how many customers we had, and I could see all of the great ways that our company Amazon was performing. But people thought we were losing money, but it wasn't true. Well, it was kind of true, but listen carefully. I just knew that Amazon was a fixed cost business. Now, what does that mean? That means they had very high costs no matter what the revenue was. And if the revenue was below that cost, then it was losing money. But as soon as the revenue went above the fixed cost, then it would make a lot of money, but nobody seemed to care. Nobody seemed to notice. They just said, did you lose money or make money? The answer was they lost money. And so they wrote it off and it showed a very low price. And Jeff Bezos knew that as soon as Amazon reached a sufficient scale, we would have a very good business. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because I love creating videos. I love teaching. I'm a born teacher. I have been a teacher all my life. This is why I'm here this lifetime. And you're my student. And in order to enroll in my class, you need to subscribe. So just click on that button right there and subscribe. Also, like this video and comment below on whether you agree or disagree with my startling statement that even though everybody is sad, that even though from November of 2021 to today, February, that's just a few months, with Bitcoin going down, it is just a perfect time to buy. This is not the time to be sad. This is not the time for FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is not the time for FUD. This is not the time to sell. This is the time to accumulate. This is the time for opportunity. Do you know that the Dow Jones Industrial Index is the 30 most important stocks on the important New York Stock Exchange? But many of those 30 started during the Great Depression from 1929 to 1939. And yet, according to economists, it was the worst time ever. And yet it was the breeding ground for the biggest stocks in the New York Stock Exchange. And that's what's happening right now. That is exactly what's happening right now. If you're enjoying this, share it with your friends so they can enjoy this video also. So let's continue. Amazon was a great company at the time, but the stock price didn't reflect that because there was a lot of fear in the market. And at the time, no one thought Amazon stock would then go up. Wait till you hear this. No one thought Amazon stock, wait till you hear this, would go up 50,000%, 50,000% to more than $3,000. Well, listen carefully. Why did I tell you about Amazon? Because a similar thing is happening right now in the crypto and the high-tech space. For example, PayPal posted a fantastic business result for 2021, and the stock went down 66% in the last few months of 2021. The chart of their stock now resembles what's affectionately called a shitcoin chart. The crypto market today, just like Amazon in 2021, has excellent fundamentals, and yet it doesn't show it. The coins have excellent fundamentals. Now remember, this is for education and entertainment only. If you like my ideas and you want to invest based on my ideas, don't do it. This is education and entertainment. But you can get lots of information from me, and you can combine it with information you get elsewhere and then make your own independent investment decisions. And now here's the best part. This is the absolute best part. I want you to use Ethereum as an example. If Ethereum were a company, now it is a company, it's just called a coin. If Ethereum were a company, it would have the following business statistics. Listen to this. Revenue, $4.34 billion of revenue, not per year, which would be impressive, but just in the fourth quarter of 2021. That's 17x, 17 times larger than the similar fourth quarter of 2020. A company growing by 17x is shocking. The value of all transactions on the Ether network went up 9x and was $3.2 trillion. More value. This is the most shocking thing you've ever heard in your life. Listen wildly carefully to this. Now listen carefully. This is going to wildly shock you. More value, that's more dollars, is now being transferred through Ethereum than through Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. More value, more US dollars, more pound sterling, more euro, more Swiss franc, more yen, more rand. More value is being processed through the Ethereum network than through Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal combined. Listen to this. MetaMask, which is Ethereum's leading wallet, has over 21 million monthly active users. That's 10 times larger compared to the same period in 1 year ago in 2020. DeFi applications on Ethereum have $115 billion in assets under management. That's 3x compared to a year earlier. And yet the price of Ethereum doesn't even remotely reflect all that incredible success. When there's a lot of fear in the market, and we now have a combination of the possibility of war in the Ukraine and Russia and central bank monetary tightening, people are overwhelmed by negative emotions and they stop to think long-term. And that's the secret. Listen carefully. People are overwhelmed by negative emotions. They're overwhelmed by a lockdown. They're overwhelmed by fear of getting COVID. They're overwhelmed by fear they'll lose their job or they'll lose their company. They're overwhelmed. The number of calls to suicide helplines is larger than it's ever been. And in all that, they stop thinking long-term. It's like if your house is burning down, you don't think of the long-term possibilities for your stock portfolio. You think really short-term, put the darn fire out. And that's what's going on right now. All in all, the situation now reminds me of Amazon when it went up 50,000%, even though nobody seemed to realize it, and even though the stock price didn't reflect it. And as you can see, Amazon was the opportunity of a lifetime at that time. No one knows what's going to happen in the stock market and the crypto market. I'm not giving financial advice, but it looks to me like this is Amazon in the year 2001, when stock is about to go up 50,000%. Wow. This is not the time to FUD. This is not the time for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is the time for confidence. This is the time to hold tight. This is the time to know that it's about to explode. The price of coins is about to explode. Bitcoin and Ethereum will go up significantly. That's my thought. But the little coins, the medium coins and the micro coins are going to explode beyond your imagination. That's my thought. That's what I'm doing. You are now far wiser than you were just 10 minutes ago. Please click on Meta in order to subscribe to my channel. And please click on this video, which is my most recent video, my previous one. And please click on that video, which Google and YouTube think is the most appropriate if you enjoyed this video.